the divorce will be finalized either with or without his participation.
Ramos Law Group. Choose the firm that chooses you.
Can you actually get a divorce even though your spouse is refusing to sign the paperwork? The answer is yes. Anybody who files for a divorce is entitled to a divorce in Texas. So it's just going to be a matter of how long it takes, because if he doesn't want to sign a waiver and do things by an agreement, not have service done, and sign off on a proposed final decree that both of you have negotiated, fine. He will then be served with the original petition for divorce. Then he has that waiting period. He'll have to go through the process of answering the divorce. What if he doesn't answer the divorce? Then after the 60th day, at least, you can go forward and try and have a default divorce granted against him without his participation. Lots of people don't like that, though. They want to at least participate and protect their interests. He may participate, it may be contested. It may take just a little pushing to get through the emotional trauma, the emotional newness of the process, and just kind of process the divorce being on the table, and maybe give them an opportunity to realize that you are serious. You're not staying in this relationship. The divorce will be finalized either with or without his participation. Sometimes they just need a little time to process, to get through that before they decide, okay, now we can negotiate on the settlement terms. And if he just absolutely refuses to even give you an inch on any agreements on final mediation or any of that, then you at least have a trial. You can go before the judge at the end of the case and have your trial and have the judge determine and dictate all the terms of your divorce between you and your spouse if there's absolutely no participation. A lot of times that kind of the anger and that stuff dissipates once we get into the process and it's more palatable to us. Let's go ahead and move this on. I can't force her to feel a certain way. I can't force him to stay in a marriage that he's no longer committed to. So why put yourself through that torture? Go and talk to a family law attorney if this is an issue that you're going through so that you can at least explore your options.